Hi, welcome to my channel. You're here with Giga Kathy, and today, as you can see, no makeup, no nothing, because I'm about to dye my hair. Bought this one, super blonde, because I want to use a lightening cream first. It is a bleach, of course. So I want to use this first before I dye my hair, because as you can see, my hair is very thick. So let's see if this is even enough. I don't think it will be, but that's the purpose of it. I don't want it to be like a crazy blonde. So without no further ado, let's start. Let me show you what it has. It has this right here, the bottle, which is the number 2. This is like the developing cream. So right now it has a cover, and we're gonna cover that with this nozzle right here. It's gonna be my first review, and then we're gonna do another one because I think I'm gonna dye my hair again for the actual color that I want to use for, you know, fall. This, the number 3, so which is the one we're gonna mix into that, and it has the instruction as well, and I'm pretty sure when I open this, the gloves will be in it. Inside, conditioning shampoo, so that's nice. Lightening powders, so 2 lightening powders, so that's, I think that's pretty good. Start, I don't know how to use this one, so let me read it real quick. First up, I'm gonna use, of course, the one that says number 1. So the developing powder, oh, the lightening powder. So this is from L'Oreal Paris. It's called Super Blonde Cream Lightening Kit. It's pretty much basically everything in one. So we're gonna mix all of that in here. Be very careful. We have to mix all of this first before we can even put the other one, which is the lightening cream. So basically, I waited until the powder and the solution is like blue, and then that's when I put this cream. If you're asking why I'm not gonna cover myself, that's because the shirt I'm using is actually you know, it's been used for years. So this is basically my in-home shirt, so I don't really care having the hair color on it. So now, oh, did you hear that? I shaked it enough. So I'm gonna put my gloves on. I don't know what this is gonna look like on my hair because I have black hair, and I have this, as you can see, like little cut right here, and another cut of like half blonde. So honestly, I think I should have bought 2 for my full hair, because I have thick hair and long hair. But like I said, let's try it out. I don't know. I'm gonna do my tip first, because that's the one that's like black. So if anything, at least I can catch up a little bit for the color. So that's done. I pretty much covered everything, even with my, you know, long hair. See? So I want to show you guys that if I don't have a, what do you call this? If I don't have a shower cap, I usually just do this on my hair, put it up, and if it's not long enough, like before my hair was short, I just put it up still, try and put it up, take this off. The smell on this thing is super strong, man. Or maybe bleacher always that strong. I just never really used them. I use a plastic bag, and then I put it over until everything is really like close and covered. Close it like that, and inside. There's my shower cap. Alright, I will update you. I will make this like 30 minutes, I think, or maybe a little longer. I don't know. I usually use my color and stay it for like 30 minutes. If you're not sure, since I'm not sure, don't follow me. Read the instructions. I like to make it really long for it to stay longer. So like I said, maybe 30 minutes, 45, or maybe an hour. It depends. But I know for sure, like after like 20 minutes, so I know for sure, like after 20 minutes or the 30-minute mark, I'm gonna open this and check if I like the color already. If not, then I'll make it stay longer. So that's how I really do it. I've been really just dyeing my hair myself, so this is not professionally done. Alright, I'll see you again in a little bit. Alright, so it's time. Let's see. I'm scared. Ooh. Oh my god. My hair just got pure blonde. Again, with, of course, missing some spots. I mean, you did pretty good though, for that amount for that one box. Like seriously, my hair is very thick, as you can see. So let me wash this up and actually see what it looks like for the final, but it looks like right here. Black. Oh shit. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh my god. I don't know what to think about this color, but I think I'm just gonna have this for like a week, and then I'm changing it again. Oh, it's still dark right here, but it's not too bad. I wonder how bad. Oh, see, on the back you can actually see that it's still black. And over here as well, like you see how this side is black and that side, oh, you can always say that's a design, right? Let me dry this up and I'll show you what it looks like.
Alright, so this is the final look after I blow dried my hair, and it came out really nice. Don't mind this one. This one is after I ponytail my hair. I just want to show you, like, even if my hair is looking dry, it actually came out really pretty. So I can't believe this is only $10 and everything is in it, so it's very convenient, and I do definitely recommend this if you want to lighten up your hair.
Okay, I just want to show this real quick. So this is my hair for a week now since I dyed it, and as you can see, it's very pretty. I like how it came out, so it just got a lot lighter. So I think I'm gonna keep it for like a month, and then later on when I actually have time, well, maybe just a month, I'm giving myself a month to do the other color that I really want to try on. So so far so good, and I have a feeling whatever style I was gonna do with the other hair color, it probably will come out right with this, because I kind of want to do the 3 colors of it. So it looks like it did that on this one, so it's probably gonna be good. Have you ever tried this brand itself? I never did, so actually I'm pretty impressed that it worked with my hair, because like I told you from the start, my hair is super thick and it's still lighten this thing up really good. So I'm really excited to actually put the color that I want on top of it. It looks like it's gonna look like a 3 different colors of almost the same shades. Anyways, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and thank you so much if you do. I'll see you again in my next videos. Bye.